You, put your phone down, don't call your plumber. Because in this video, we're going to show you as homeowners how to extend the life of your hot water tank, and we're going to create a 3-part series on the proper techniques of doing this. And Clayton's going to show you how to do it.
All right, everyone, how's everybody doing? So I'm going to give you just a brief description on 2 of them are going to be things that you want to service. One of them is going to be a preventative maintenance. So the first one that we're going to get into here for all you homeowners and you guys that want to just kind of get to this and do this on your own is your relief valve here. So if this guy here is dripping at all, or if you notice like a ton of water spraying out of there, you're definitely going to want to get that guy replaced. And the second one here is your dip tube. So your dip tube, if you're noticing your water's not lasting as long, your hot water, you're finding it's getting cold, or if it's just kind of staying lukewarm, you definitely want to be getting that dip tube changed out. And we'll have the last one is more of a preventative maintenance. This is a sacrificial anode. So what it does really is it just helps the longevity of your tank. So instead of your water eating away at your tank, it eats away at this rod.